Ipsy time. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be bringing you what is in my Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of July. Let's see if they can redeem themselves from the last couple months because I have not been impressed. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you could check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam, and also hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. Y'all, I am wearing purple lashes today. I forgot to tell y'all in my Pandora's box video. They are from Eyelure, and they were for Pride Month last month. These are the style Spirit. They're purple. I also have a blue pair, a green pair, and a red pair. I bought all of them. But today, I figured I'd go purple. Alright, as you guys know, the past couple months, Ipsy has not really been all that great to me. I'm still going to keep it. I'm not canceling. I had someone say, well, why don't you just cancel it and go back to BoxyCharm? I didn't like BoxyCharm. They started giving me repetitive products, and there were a couple products that had been used, and they were old, and I was like, no, not having it. So, let's go ahead and see what is in my Ipsy bag in my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of July. All right, let's go ahead and start with the regular bag first. Ooh, we have some outside items, so I'll keep them on the outside. I'm not a fan of this bag. I like the print. For some reason, mine has some black stuff on it. I don't like the material it's made out of. It's like kind of made of that material that pool floaties are made out of, and it's see-through somewhat. I don't like it. Not a big fan of the bag. I do like the airplane charm though. That's cute. All right, let's go ahead and get the card out. This month's theme is take a break. Airplane mode your phone. Put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room dance party or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary, let loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? I like the what is it I want to say? The print of this card. I am like straight legit losing it, y'all. Y'all just don't even understand. So let's see what's on the outside of the bag. Okay. I got a Luxie 640 Pro Precision tapered brush. I actually love these kinds of brushes. These are really good for when I put down a luminous setting powder like the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics luminous setting powder or the Too Faced Do You setting powder. These are really good for that because they're not so dense, so they're not going to put like a whole bunch of product on your face. They're just going to glide everything on it. They're really good. I really do like these kinds of brushes. I can't remember if this was an add-on or if this was part of my box or if I picked this. I can't remember. I might have picked it. The next product I have is another Luxie brush. I do know I have two add-on products. This is the 205 Pack and Shade brush. Looks like this, and it actually has a divot in it to hold. That's pretty cool. I like that. That is neat. This next item I have is definitely an add-on. It is the Poreless Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream. Oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, illuminating finish for normal to dry skin, even sensitive skin. I can't wait to try that just to give me a little bit of coverage if I go out. Somewhere, because I am not about to put a full face of makeup on with foundation and everything in this weather. It is too hot for that. No. Let's go ahead and see what is inside the bag. Okay, this is from the brand Skin Regimen. This is the cleansing cream. I do believe that I did find that this brand was cruelty-free. I can't remember off the top of my head. But I am actually going to pass this along because I have so many facial cleansers right now that I need to go through before they expire. So I think I'm just going to pass this along. Oh, this next item is the item I picked. Okay, so one of the brushes came in my bag and the other brush was an add-on. I just can't remember which brush it was. And it is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil. I love this bad boy. It is the perfect pencil for me to draw out my eyebrows. And if I'm really lazy that day, I'll just take them and fill them in with it. I don't like to fill in my brows as much with it because it looks a little bit too waxy, but it is perfect for me to shape my brows with. I actually used it today with the combo of the Tarte Big Ego brow pomade that I actually bought. Oh, I love it. Looks great. So yeah, I am really excited for this. All right, the next item I have is a loose pigment from Naked Cosmetics in the shade Naturally Nude. I am actually going to pass this along because I already have a lot of loose pigments from indie brands that I get in my Pandora's box. So I'm not really looking to keep any kind of loose pigments I get in my Ipsy bag. So I'm just going to pass this along, or I may put it in the box for a future giveaway. And the last item I have is from Real Elemental Practice. It is the Photocell Moisture Cica all-in-one serum. Interesting. Let's see what it says on the back here. It says a multifunction serum helps even out the skin texture and boost skin condition while providing an instant hydration. It says in the morning and at night after cleansing, apply an appropriate amount onto the entire face and lightly pat for better absorption. So is it a serum or is it a moisturizer? Is it both? It's interesting. I'm gonna have to try this out because this is intriguing me. And that is all that I have in my regular Ipsy bag. I'm going to clean all this up and let's see what is inside my Ipsy Glam Plus box. Alrighty, now it's time to see what is inside my Ipsy Glam Plus box. Alright, let's get the card out. It's the same as before, but there's no product information, which means I have to look up the prices. Awesome. Let's get the bag out. See if the bag's different than the other one. Okay, this one says Wanderlust. The other one said Escape. I actually like this one better. It's made of the same material, but I actually like this one better because it's less see-through. I think I like the color of it better than this one. So, yeah, I think I like this one better than this one. Let's go ahead and see what we got first. Okay, this is from the brand Nature's Cartel. I've never heard of this brand before, and it is a shimmer lip gloss in the shade VCR Static. It is vegan and cruelty free. I'm not sure if you can see that down there. There you go. Okay. All right, it's just a regular iridescent lip gloss. I'm actually going to put this in the box for a future giveaway. I have so many of these, and the Rebel Rouge Labs Techno Glosses are my favorite right now. So yeah, I'm not going to keep this. Let's see what we got next. Y'all, this is my item I picked. And it's broken. This is the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials Highlighter in Glazed Donut. I was so excited to get this, and it's broken beyond repair. I don't know what it is about Ofra highlighters, but they suck in shipment. There's a couple I have ordered, I know Pillow Talk was one of them, that they just didn't hold up. They broke in transit. So yeah, I'm going to have to email Ipsy about this so they can send me a replacement, hopefully. Alrighty, let's see what is next. Okay, we have a multi-dimensional eye color from the brand Il Makiage, and it's in the shade Shopaholic. I guess it's a Color Boss. It's Color Boss multi-dimensional eye color. Let's give this a look. How does this open? This is how it opens. That's fancy. Oh my god, this thing weighs a ton. It feels like a paperweight. I mean, that's a pretty color. It's a, you know, a nice nudish shimmery shade. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. I haven't decided. But this thing could be a paperweight. Okay, back into the box we go. Got 2 more items left. Ooh, the first one is from Tarte. It is the Sea Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. Y'all know Man-Eater is my jam. That's just my jam. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. Surfer Curl. It feels very light. Yeah, I think it smells weird. I think I'm going to pass this along because I'm not a really big fan of this wand. Yeah. Plus, I have a lot of Man-Eater I need to use up. So I think I'm either going to pass this along or I'm going to put it in the box for future giveaway. And the last item that we have is from the brand Duft and Doft. It is the Salmon Jean Hydro Active Cream. Totally regeneration and anti-wrinkle and brightening blended sodium DNA. Wait, it says Salmon Jean. Does that mean it has salmon in it? That may just be me having a blonde moment. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. One, I already have like 3 eye creams I need to use. My favorite right now is the Poreless Prevent Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum. I actually use this before I put my makeup on around my eyes, and I really do like this. So I don't think I'm going to keep this. All right, I am going to clean all this up. I'm going to, my outside of my nose itches. I'm going to clean all this up. I am going to look up the prices, and I will be right back. Alrighty, let's go ahead and run down the prices for these products. Let's start with the regular glam bag first. The Luxie 205, just this by itself is $15. The Luxie 640 Precision Tapered, this was an add-on for me. It originally retails for $23. I bought this for $3 at Ipsy. The full size of the It Brow Power Pencil retails for $24. The Naked Cosmetics loose pigment is $14.99 for this. This is a full size. $15. What? The Skin Regimen Cleanser for a 5.07 fluid ounce bottle, the full size bottle, is $40 for a full, for a full size. Yikes. And the serum, I found this on Amazon. It's actually named something different. And it is $18.99 for a 1.69 fluid ounce. And the Poreless BB cream, this is $35 for 1.4 fluid ounces, which is the big size, which is the full size, big size, the full size. I purchased this sample for $3. Now for the items in my Glam Plus box. The broken highlighter. It retails for $30. I am really hoping that Ipsy can send me another one of these and not a replacement item. Like an item that isn't even the same. Because they have done that before. The Duft and Doft Eye Cream retails for $27. The Tarte Mascara retails for $23, which is pretty normal. I think all their mascaras retail that price, if I'm not mistaken. The Nature's Cartel Lip Gloss retails for $12. And this eyeshadow, the Il Makiage eyeshadow, okay, it didn't break, which is good because, yeah. This retails for $29. Why is a pressed shadow that much money? I don't get it. Is it because of the paperweight packaging that basically is like drop proof because I did just drop it and the eyeshadow is still intact? That is insane. Crazy. I am not impressed with this month. First off, I got a broken highlighter. I am not keeping 3 items in my Glam Plus box. I'm not keeping 4 items in my Glam Plus box. I'm not keeping 2 in my regular bag. It's just, I was not impressed this month. I don't like the bag of the regular Ipsy bag. I just, ugh. They really, really need to step it up because I'm at this point where I'm just like, what the F, Ipsy? What is going on? If you want to sign up for Ipsy, I will place a link down in the description box. It is a referral link. I do not earn any money from it at all whatsoever. It is just there if you want to sign up. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget that all of my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, I will list all the products that I used to make this look right here for today down in the description box as well. I love you all so much and I will see y'all next time. Bye. I can legit knock someone out with this packaging of this eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow probably still wouldn't break. Come on, Ipsy. Get it together. Get it together. As cute as these lashes are, I am ready to take them off because they're not like Miss Scarlett's.